and welcome to Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style for part 2 of our squash video. Now in part 1, what we did was we planted seeds. We wanted to bring them up from a seed to a small squash plant, and they actually came out fabulous. We put them in a bag to give it the greenhouse effect. We added hydrogen peroxide and water mix, and we also did a pre-fertilization with eggshells. So we're going to talk about part 2. What we're going to do this time, we're going to leave them in the bag for 7 more days. We're not going to leave them in for longer than 7 days, because what will happen is the stems will get extremely long and then they'll start to get weak. So we'll just leave them in for 7 more days and we'll take them out. But make sure you leave enough room in your bag to give them space to grow. You know, because you want them to have room to grow, that way the stems won't snap. So that's what we're going to do. You can spray them again if you'd like to give them a little excess moisture. But today in part 2, I just wanted to show you how well they're actually doing. You can see a close-up at the top of your screen. And I think other than that, that's all we're going to do for part 2. Now part 3, we're going to transplant them. They should be mature enough to be transplantable into a different pot, and we're going to talk about transplanting these. We're going to actually transplant them, add some organic and different types of fertilizers to them to get them large, green, and healthy like we would like them. And then we'll wait. Part 3, I'll be basically telling you how to take care of them and get them, you know, to the stage that they actually need to be. Now, if you'd like to see part 1 and you missed part 1 to this video, there's going to be a link below, and you can check out the link below for part 1. Thanks for viewing Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style for today's gardening segment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks. Bye.